we had a fabulous variety of entries for the Moments in Time What is Home photo contest. Thank you to all the photographers who shared their visions of home, and to POV for making the contest possible.
Hi, I'm Spencer Thomason, producer for Blue Ridge PBS and lead producer for Project Southwest. In celebration of Our America and the POV documentary Portraits and Dreams, Blue Ridge PBS held a photo contest called Moments in Time, What is Home? I spoke to the winners of our contest to ask them about their photos and why Southwest Virginia is such a special place to call home. Let's start with the youth category. Bella, a 16-year-old from Salem, Virginia, is our youth runner-up. She sent us this photo of her mom tending to their beehives.
This photograph is literally my view out my bedroom window. And I was really wanted to get my family in this shot because learning how to take care of our beehives has been an experience that's brought our family together, and it's part of our daily routine, and it's wonderful to have this continuity of nature outside that we can come back to every day, and it's become a very established part of our family. I love living in Southwest Virginia, not only because we're surrounded by beautiful natural features like the Blue Ridge Mountains, but also because of all the outdoor activities that we have the opportunity to participate in. So I ride horses and I'm able to do that outside, and I go hiking with my friends. Also, I love the community around here that's so passionate about preserving our natural environment. I think that's one of the best things about Virginia.
And congratulations to our youth winner, Olivia. She's 12 years old and from Parisburg, Virginia. She sent us this photo of her sister and her dog enjoying a beautiful afternoon in the mountains of Southwest Virginia.
To me, it means home because it has our beautiful mountains, and it has my family, my dog, and my sister, which is my home. And it just shows home to me because those are my home. Like, this is my home. This is where I've grown up all my life and everything. Yeah. Me and my sister and my family, we went on a walk with our dog, and it was just a little clearing over to the side with the pretty view of the mountains, and that little area was just set up perfectly. So I thought, why don't I just take a picture here? We have these awesome mountains down here that are great for me. I love to take pictures of the mountains because I love it. And we have the beautiful river down through here, which I have in, I think, maybe one of my photos. It's just a beautiful place to take pictures for me, yes.
Now let's check out the winning photos from the adult category. Our second runner-up is Jennifer Payne from Bluefield, Virginia. She snapped this pic of her cattle backlit by a gorgeous sunset.
We have a farm here in Tazewell County, and in the evenings we go out and check our cows, and that is one of the best times in the world to find the most amazing skies of the setting sun, and that is where I took this photo. It was a December day, and the beautiful colors of the clouds, and as I took more photos, I think they wanted to be in the shot too, and I had more come up and want to be in the photo. I have always lived in Southwest Virginia, and it is a beautiful area. It's those wide open spaces and the mountains here. It's a welcome, comforting feeling when you're here. And no matter where we travel, when my husband and I travel, we're ready to come home. we love the place that we live, and the people here as well make Southwest Virginia so special. It's the kind word and the helpfulness that you can find in your communities and surrounding areas. And you may pass somebody you don't know, but they'll say hello or good afternoon. And I think it's just a friendly community of people that makes Southwest Virginia so special.
Our first runner-up is Caledonia Brown Bull from Parisburg, Virginia. She sent us this photo, an evening at play in the summer sun, playing in the fields with our loved ones.
It was such a spontaneous moment when I took the shot. We were out playing with our dog outside, and I just kind of stopped and realized how beautiful that afternoon was. And to me, it was just such a serendipitous moment that I was just blown away, really. And I snapped it. They had no idea I took the picture. And it was just one of those moments of serendipity that I feel like are kind of overlooked in day-to-day life sometimes. To me, the photo really represented just love and happiness, just, making memories together, which I think is really what home is, truly, is making memories with the people you love and, spending time together. Southwest Virginia and Appalachia as a whole is just, very near and dear to me. It's an incredible place to live. It's a wonderful place to grow up. There's just so many, unique experiences that I think that you get here that you probably don't get in, other places in the United States. I mean, we have the Fiddlers Convention. There's, the Highland Games. There's just such a conglomerate of wonderful and unique experiences you can have here. And not to mention the scenery and the wildlife. We have black bears in my backyard.
And a big congratulations to our adult winner, Amber Rogers from Meadows of Dan. She submitted this incredible photo of her grandfather standing in front of the home that his grandfather built in the late 1800s.
I actually just graduated from Radford University a year ago, and my senior exhibition was photos of him on the farm. And he and I are really close. He's like my dad to me, really. And the old house in the background was built by my great-great-grandfather, and that's where my great-grandfather, his dad, grew up. And that piece of land has been in my family 4 generations. So just him standing there in front of the house that kind of started it all was, to me, really where my roots and my home is. So I thought that was pretty special. We are lucky to have some of the most amazing scenery of anywhere I've ever been. There is so much history, and the people are so nice. And I haven't been a lot of places, but I haven't been anywhere that is as good as Southwest Virginia.
Once again, congratulations to all of our finalists, and thank you to everyone who participated in the Moments in Time What is Home photo contest. Our finalists will be awarded with Shutterfly gift cards so they can show off their photographic expertise. For Blue Ridge PBS and Project Southwest, I'm Spencer Thomason. Take care.